Hello, this is Lily again. This is day 16. I did go to Food City today. I rode the wheelchair because the scooter hurts my knees. And I was getting ready to pull off the boot just for a minute. When I got home, I was in a lot of pain, which I had taken pain medicine a couple times today. Um, there goes my boot. And my foot is swelled. Um, I can move my foot back and forth. It does hurt. Still not allowed to put any pressure, so I'm non-weight bearing until June the 22nd. These socks I had on I thought were large enough, but my feet, like I said, is swelled. So this is day 16. Can move my toes. And something I did want to include, I did have a bunion removed and my Achilles tendons repaired. So you're looking at several different surgeries there. So this is day 16.